On some questions, you'll need to draw on the diagram. You'll be given a toolbar like this. For part B here, I want to plot a point. If we want to plot a point, we use the pen. The pen will appear over here. You can move it by dragging the grey part of the pen. If you click on the blue part, a red cross will appear at the tip of the pen. If you do any wrong drawings, clicking this blue cross here will get rid of all the drawings. So I want to plot the point 6, 5. So I move it so the tip is at 6, 5. Click on the blue part, and there's my cross. If I click on the pen again, it will remove it so that your cross is nice and clear. You can then submit your answer and see that it's correct by the green box surrounding the drawing tools. This question is asking me to use ruler and compasses. Clicking on this will give me a ruler, and clicking on this will give me compasses. Let's look at the ruler first. We can move the ruler by clicking on the grey part and dragging. We can change the angle of the ruler by clicking on the yellow part and dragging. If we click on the blue pen and move it along the ruler, we draw a straight line. If you want to draw a line that's longer than the ruler, just keep going. We can also use the ruler to measure. By moving this yellow part here, it tells you how long the line you've drawn is. If your line is longer than the ruler, just keep dragging the yellow off the ruler and the measurement keeps going. If you want to remove the ruler tool, just click on it again. If your drawing has gone really wrong and you want to start afresh, click on the blue cross to get rid of it. Now let's look at the compasses. To use the compasses, in the usual way, if we click on the grey part and drag, we can move them around. Clicking and dragging here will make it longer or shorter. If you want to rotate the compasses without drawing a line, click and drag here. Also note that it rotates around this here. When you're ready to draw the line, click on the blue part and drag. If you want to use a protractor, click here. As usual, clicking on the grey and dragging will move the protractor around. Let's measure this angle. So I move the protractor into place here, and then I want to spin it a bit. To do this, first move the blue circle, and then use the yellow circle to spin the protractor. You can then use the blue circle to measure the angle, and we can see that this angle is 39 degrees. If I wanted to draw an angle, let's say of 60 degrees, I would move this to 60, get my pen, and draw a cross, then get the protractor out of the way, and use the ruler to draw a straight line.